Who is Patience? Sunday. Who is by that name? Nsowoyo.
Precious Sunday.
Nsowoyo. What's her name?
Patience Sunday Nsonguyo.
Woman, come. Let me take my time to talk to you. Come here. Lift your hands. The hand of heaven is being manifested on your life. And everything that the enemy has done will become a thing of the past.
Amen.
Have you been to Eket?
Yes, sir. I'm from Eket.
Have you been to Eset Eket?
Yes, I'm from Eket.
Now look at this. I see you in the spirit realm. A change is coming to your life.
Amen.
Where is your husband?
Don't see him.
Let me pray with you. Now they thought that this is the end of your life. They think this is the end. I saw a child, and they think this is the end of your life. And I saw a pregnancy.
Yes, sir.
And I saw that pregnancy is more than a year. It's more than 2 years.
Yes,
it's
sir.
more than 10 years.
Yes, sir.
11 years.
Yes, sir.
11 years pregnancy.
Yes, sir.
And you've been carrying that, and the baby disappears and appears.
Yes, sir.
The baby will go and it will come back.
Yes, sir.
If you go to the hospital today, they won't see the baby.
Yes, sir.
If you go tomorrow, they will see the baby.
Yes, sir.
It's like it's been manipulated. And above all, everything about you is scattered.
Yes, sir.
This is peanuts. Peanuts.
Granot. I'm selling granot.
That's what you are selling.
Yes, sir.
That's what you are selling right now.
Yes, sir.
When did you start the business?
Sir, it has been 5 years now.
How much did you start it with?
I started the business with 5,000 naira.
And that's what you have been living on?
Yes, sir.
Take 2 steps. I'll give you 1 million today. Come. I'll give you 1 million naira today. Are you listening? I know that's nothing, but boost that. I'll give you 1 million naira. That's what the Lord just said I should do for you. And look at me. Look at me. You will have this child.
Yes, amen.
You will have this child.
Amen.
And aside having this child, the glory that you lost will come back.
Amen.
Now, a prophecy for one is a prophecy for all.
Amen.
What you lost, get it back.
Amen.
I don't like your amen at all. What you lost, get it back. Amen. Where is that woman that we are giving something? Where is she? The woman we are giving some money. I promised to give. Okay, Victor, get her details, accounts. You have a bank account? Go get it from her.